Iniwan ko yung mag-ama doon kasi siyang kumakain din. Si kuya kumakain pa din. Lakad-lakad lang ako dito sa may mga shops. Ito yung Byron Store.
Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder.
Oh, merong pinapahire ditong bike. $50 day with surfboard. With surfboard na kasi ayan may lalagyan. $50 per day.
Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. How come the stars
Levi's. Hi, good morning. Ito pala yung mga Levi's. Oh. Baka si Sak may magustuhan dito. Balik na ako. Marami pang shops. Kaso ako lang mag-isa. Wala yung aking pamilya. Nandun kumakain pa sila. Tinawagan ko si Jan. Kumukuha raw ng drinks. Bumibili. So, stroll lang tayo dito. Ang gaganda ng mga shops nila. Ang pa-fancy tingnan. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Then, ayun yung changing room. Parang mga limited lang. Limited ang kanilang mga stocks. Tapos din mga rush. Sige, diretsuin ko na nga ito. Libot tayo dito sa Byron Bay. This body piece, bamboo clothing. Wow, hindi tayo dito pwede.
yeah, it makes me wonder.
Dito na naman tayo sa mga platito. $40.
Yeah, it makes me wonder.
So, ang ganda.
It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Pinag-shopping niya raw si Oli dito sa Ganda ng shorts. How are you? You got 3?
For 130.
For 130? 3 shorts?
They're 40, no, shorts.
Huh?
Shorts.
All shorts? Where are they?
Oh, I got this one.
Is it fit you?
Yeah. 5 to 6. Because the other one was a bit too big. I got this one.
Is it fit like fit?
Yeah, fit perfect.
Ano ng weather? Sabi 50% it will rain. That's right.
Till tonight.
Oh.
3 o'clock it's midday.
Sabi mo
White
morning.
Brother Rainforest.
Ang ganda dito mag-walking.
We can't walk.
Why?
There's no parking.
No, that. Some people's.
We already have been walking.
Lighthouse 50 metres ahead. There we go.
It's nice.
There's a beach here as well.
Lighthouse. How do we go up there?
There.
We go up there.
Yeah. Daming
Yeah,
mga
they surf when there's big swell. They surf
there.
up there.
No, this is a one-way
Oh.
road, Dad.
What?
This is a one-way.
Yeah, so we're going out on the other side. Where's the car is. Oh, yeah, one way lang to.
What, are we going the right way?
Yeah, hopefully, Zach.
I hope so, Zach. Unless we're stuck.
Or else we're gonna go backwards.
There we go.
Oh,
Right
there's
up
one.
top.
Ah, okay.
Look at
Oh,
this.
wow.
That is
Ah,
massive.
Look at
That's
that, Zach.
nice.
Not massive.
No parks.
Oh.
That car. Hang on, what's this one going?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Let's
Quick
see.
look.
We're nowhere near the lighthouse.
Yeah, we're bayad dito, guys.
Do I have to look?
Yeah, come on, quick, look.
Huh?
Ayan yung view. Tingnan na. Come on, Holly. Okay. Go, Baba. Ang ganda.
Look how big they are out there. Yeah, you can get down there.
Where's Kuya? Ayaw mag-sightseeing ni Kuya? Ha? That's it? Na tayo.
What if we have to pay up there to look? Are we doing now or no?
I think that there's paint everywhere.
Yeah.
$10.
Entry fees apply, ha? May bayad din dito.
Parks anyway.
Mm.
Look at it there. Look at it coming running over there. Look at that big swell, Dad. They're good. They're big waves that you wouldn't hear.
It's nowhere to park anyway.
Should be
No,
right.
there's no parking. Oh.
No
No
parking,
parking, sabi ni Kuya. Aww. That one, huh?
Nothing around, man.
Yeah, guys, they got in. I don't have a spot. I don't have anyone leaving, but
No.
it's $10 if we get one.
Okay.
No space.
Be worth bloody $10 to have a look around.
Hang on, we'll just see what these girls are doing. Where are they? Oh no, they're in that car. They just
Oh.
got there, that car.
All right, no worries.
Sorry, guys.
You're all right.
Alright, thank you. Oh.
1 o'clock it is gonna start, Dad.
Oh, hindi natin makikita. Yeah, wait, honey.
What? Mum just pops out and we just drive around.
keep around. Sabi ni Zach, that's right. That's a good one. Oh, hindi natin masilip.
They're not dumping. They like smooth down.
Wala nga
the
alis.
swells, 2 points.
It's nice to go for a walk. Look at that view. Slow down only. Have to
Dad.
drive
Right.
slowly.
Wednesday's 4.4.
Yeah.
Where at?
We won't be here.
Turners?
Okay. Slow down, hon.
Well, that's good. 'Cause don't need to look. We're already there, so.
Riverside, Gary. We shouldn't.
No, it's not. Walking up that would be that bad.
My God, it's good walking, Kuya.
You talk.
Check left.
Here.
Probably have to go up this and then go down.
So, libat na lang tayo. Saan tayo dadali? Wala tayong maparkan. So lahat dito may bayad ang park. Oh. Diyan. Sa baba to, nasa baba na to ng lighthouse. Kalahati. So maglalakad sila doon. Mga kasama ko ayaw maglakad eh. Oh. Oh, that's the
What's
girl.
that noise? Chicken noise.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Your car? Oh, that's probably not videoing.
Yeah, this one? That one?
That. More? Yeah. Done.
Do you not go so fast down here? Why would you go so fast?
Pushing a train up there.
Tingnan natin dito sa may mga pumupunta rin kasi dito, so tingnan din natin pababa to. Ang sarap dito mag-walking, my god, hon. I would love to walk here. Nice. Slow down, honey. Oh, wala din.
Hey, you have to pass. Why?
Ayan, may nakabanta, hindi ka makakalusot. $10 per park.
No smoke.
No smoking, no dogs. This is good for you, but
Really
And you
good.
have to pay.
that's why people just walk from the bottom. Kaya maraming naglalakad kasi kung iisa-isain mo yung parking dito, kung 10 na area ang pupunta nyo, $50 din yun. Saglit lang, titingin ka lang dyan, dudungaw ka lang. $10 na. Saglit lang ha. Kaya maraming nag-walking. Mga naka-pram.
They go this speed over, like this speed over.
Yeah, that's why it's better to walk. You get benefit for walking and then you don't have to pay sa konting sightseeing. Tapos na, yun lang yung trip natin dito. But masarap tong restaurant na yan. Nakita ko sa review. Asa na ba yung name niya? Hindi nga lang natin. Nakalimutan ko yung pero ayan yung itsura niya. Nagpababa ako dito, andun sila. Walang maparkan sila dito eh. May bayad lahat. Dito rin may bayad. Ayan. Kailangan magbayad dyan. Wala dito eh. Ito yung gusto ni Holly. Kasi hindi naman siya nakababa. Tuka ako dito ng food sa Blast Bowls.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night, and I got no plans tomorrow. I could use a bam, 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 but just not from you, 'cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, you could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely.
Ah, thank you. Oh, beautiful. Yan, na-pick up na tayo ni John and kinain ko na siya. Kasi baka matunaw, hinintay ko siya sa kung saan niya ako binaba. Masarap siya. So, ang tawag sa kanya, pinicturean ko. Pistachio papi.
Well, that's a hotel.
So, acai berry din siya. Pero yung ano niya, tapos niya yung pistachio. Tapos nagpa-add ako ng passion fruit. Tapos sabi niya kung kakainin ko to doon, dadagdagan niya para ako ng passion fruit. Sabi ko hindi. Kasi ayaw niya bang mag-messy. Nalagyan niya lang kasing konti. Saccharin. And may granola siya. Oh! What's that?
That 40 gram?
No, I think he didn't put the sign. And then
No, he cut out in front. Where's the
Mom,
pistachio?
that tastes like that avocado thingy.
no, it's pistachio, Holly.
I did not. I didn't taste it.
The pistachio. Yeah.
There's a school right in the middle of town.
Huh?
School right in the middle of town.
No, it's okay. Careful with your jumper. So, ito yung lunch natin. Slash dessert. Yung pagkain nila, hindi ko naman nakain lahat. Nandun pa sa bag. Ano ha? Good na? Masarap siya. Yan yung granola.
Pistachio just tastes like peanut butter,
You think so? Yeah.
but then at the end.
There's granola. Did you try the granola?
I made a new battery. Why? Because it goes down so quick, even when I'm not using it.
So, pabalik na tayo. So, it's not that big, right, huh? Bigger than Yamba.
Yeah. Just
So you-
gotta get another place.
Huh?
Bigger than Yamba.
Yeah. Pero mas peaceful sa Yamba. Dito medyo traffic eh.
There's so many people here.
Because it's a toll, we didn't go to the Crystal one, huh?
Crystal.
The Crystal, may maganda ditong tourist spot na Crystal, kaso feeling ko hindi ito pupunta doon. The Crystal, next time, ha?
He says that, Mom, but he doesn't.
Ano? Gusto kong puntahan sana yung Crystal, kaso parating ng ulan. It's gonna rain now, no? Kasi ang ulap makapal na. Buti na lang hindi yung malaki. Malaki ba to? Hindi ito yung malaki, may mas malaki pa. Ito po ang sarap. Hindi siya ganun katamis. It's not that sweet, right, Sak?
Yeah.
Ang sarap nito. Nakakapatamis lang yung pistachio. Charge ko kayo for 6 minutes na lang, or 6% na lang yung charger natin. Nakita niyo yung golf club dito, ang ganda.
Can't see it.
Ayan.
His head just keeps getting away.
Sick, isn't it? Kaso pauwi na tayo eh. Tapos bukas uulan.
Byron Bay and stay there.
Ha? One day. Umuulan na. Nagdi-drizzle na or nag-spitting na. Tama-tama lang yung pag-alis natin. Malapit na ako matapos dito sa aking Acai Berry. Doon tayo dito. Oh, another beach. Nakalabas na tayo yun ng Byron Bay. Yamba Town. Lennox what? Heads. Lennox Heads daw to. Another town. And tapos na akong kumain. Yung natira na lang ay yung pistachios. But, yan. Sarap. Parang Yamba lang din. Maliliit na town. Yung parang malaki yung Byron Bay. Mas malaki yung Byron Bay. Ay, may mga organic food doon. Huh? Look at that.
don't know what's. It's not a road down there.
Then pupunta sa beach.
Do you have to pay?
Sisak. Nag-worry sa kung magbabayad tayo ng park.
Yeah, you have to pay.
Huh?
You have to pay.
The park?
Where?
May restaurant din dito. Happy hour 3 to 5.
Water.
Yeah. Look at the waves there. Alis na tayo doon kung saan tayo kanina. Dito naman tayo.
Oh, Spotto, holy Spotto.
Not
No,
mine.
you said it's not a yacht.
Mine.
There we go.
Libot-libot lang tayo dito. Oh, look at that. Oh, hindi nyo nga lang makita kasi yung ating camera.
There's surfing down there.
Yes. Yeah, that's
they're big.
Oh, that looks sick.
Nice.
How can we see that?
Yeah.
Like how I
There's,
did the turn thing. You know, you go up and then
we go this way. Tingnan tayo mga nagsasurfing. Oh my god, babe. Oh, here, I'll park there.
Look, hey, that's twice today.
Wow, someone's
Someone's just pulled straight in front of us.
there, Hannah.
yeah, but we went in front of you.
No, not that one. Oh, that's your clothes, babe. Here, oh, park here. Ano yung mag-aama ko? Where are they? Oh, andun sila. No. Oh. Hindi nyo lang makita, guys.
You're right, mate. Straight through.
Just go. That's a good one, Han. Hindi nyo nga lang makita. Kasi yan na yung zoom. I-zoom natin. Yan lang. Tapos na yung sightseeing natin dyan. Oops. Ang nangyari? Ba't nagsuzoom?
Is this supposed to get bigger tomorrow? Or not? Today it's already big. Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay, drive ulit tayo.
Let's get out there.
Oh. Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Kapal na yung clouds dun, no? Black na.
Huh?
Oh, I'm not meant to go out this way.
Are we going that way, Han? Lots of caravan like this that they make like their
Yeah,
house.
that's it. I just live out of that.
Yeah. Madaming ganun na mga cars na dala lang nila mga ano nila, gear nila pang surfing. Doon sa Yamba, ang daming ganyan. Kung saan na lang sila natutulog. Tapos magsusurf. Then the next day, yun na naman yung ano nila, yung gagawin. Especially yung mga kabataan na magpa-partner. Madami sa Yamba kung nakikita ang ganun. So they just live there, no? Ginawa nila yung caravan nilang bahay. May bed naman, may lutuan sila. Oh, yes.
Got a house
That's
here.
those.
Look.
Yeah, nice. Yan nga lang, umuulan na. Look at all the waves.
Mommy, the camera's looking.
I know. Ayan lang yung beach. Katapat. Ah, yeah, puno na. Wala na, hindi na nakita. Pero yeah, kita pa rin yung beach pag dyan kayo nakatira. Umuulan na. Ito naman ay nasa Balin town tayo. Is it Balinhan? Ha?
Ballina.
Balina. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung bahay. Parang Moroccan ba? Ayan, ayan. Where? Balina. We are in Balina. Ayan yung beach. Oh, look at that. Oops.
Well, what's everyone doing? One car park's full.
Yeah, gusto sana mag-park kasi. Oh my God, that's the beach. Hindi niya. Itong camera nating isa. Walang pag-asa. Ngiwi na to, ngiwi. Ayun, ano. Gusto sana yun doon mag-park kaso walang maparkan. Tingin-tingin lang sana. Enter the harbor. Tingin lang daw dito saglit. Si Sak ayaw niyang bumaba. Ooh, lamig. Marine rescue. Ah.
Did I even write
Umuulan na. It's raining.
We got nowhere to be. Just a slow dance with the summer.
Diyan daw tayo ng coast road instead sa highway. Para meron tayong mga masa-sightseeing on the way back sa Yamba. So, ano pa, nasa loob pa tayo ng Balina. Ito yung parang sentro nila. So, let's see kung saan tayo dadali nito. Cappuccino.
It's the
Oh, okay, Holly. Highway.
Sinasabi ni Kuya si daddy niya, there's no way that you're gonna
Dad.
I've got.
you're gonna
phone, look.
pass it here to go to
Pretty
Yamba.
old Ballina. Oh, look at that old place. Old
Oh,
place.
medyo old yung ibang mga building dito. So, can you turn it down, please? So, sabi ni Kuya, kailangan daw ni daddy niya lumabas para makapunta sa highway para makabalik tayo sa Yamba. And traffic dito. It's traffic here,
I
huh?
saw a yellow car that turned. It turned right.
No. That's not counted. Oh, off shop, Kuya.
Oh,
For your shorts. Look at that op shop, and they have those what you call that? Footy clothes.
That's not the opera shop.
What's that? Yeah, op shop. That's right. Babe, look at
Mom,
this,
that's
babe.
rugby. Sorry to say, but that's rugby.
Rugby. Look at babe, oh, that's all your coffee from Yamba.
Food.
all the food.
Where?
Sabi niya, malulus niya lang daw yan pag uwi. Kasi dito, ano siya, kumakain tayo siyang breakfast, tapos konting before dinner, kumakain siya. Daming kain. Sparrow.
But
I did it, I see it first.
yeah, but you didn't punch anyone.
Ano, daddy, I did to daddy.
Then you get to pick me to
Ayan, ulan na talaga. Ulan na. Oh, kung saan ito pupunta si Jan. Ayan yung river, oh. Hinahanap niya talaga. Ayan yung mga bahay dito sa Evansett. Oh, that's a nice one. Buti pa si ate nakapag-walking. Hindi tayo nakapag-walking na naman. Oh. We're going up the hill. I can see it from here, hon.
Wow.
Maybe that's the lake. That one. That's the beach there. Parang hindi ito nakakakitang dagat. Ano, hindi nyo makita kanina. Nakita na ni Kuya. Here. No, there's no park. Oh, look at that. Where's the park? Ayan yung lookout sana, oh. And, oh, there's no parking. Oh, look at that, Han. Nice. Just look at here,
I
babe.
want to get it up.
It's-
Up there.
Yeah, I know. Walk back up. Walk back up.
Oh, Sak, your head's alright? Hindi, ano, you can park here. Hello, Sak. Si Sak ayaw bumaba. So, kami lang ang turista, yun si Kuya. Ganda na yung magkamasot na niyan yung kanyang checkered. Checkered ba yan? You see dolphin? Where?
When that waves, it jumps.
Oh, hindi yung makikita ang dolphins. Yan na si Johnny Boy. Hindi natin nakita yung dolphins. Si Oli nakita niya kani John. Surfing? Ah, yeah. Hindi yung makita. May nagsusurf doon. Doon. Hindi nga lang makita eh. Doon si Howie. Is that baby?
$2 for this.
You have to pay for $2.
Insert 2 coins. Like, insert $2 coin, push tray, and forward.
Did you put money? Let's go, Baba. Come on. Saan ka dumaan sa ilalim? Watch out for the car.
Play. That was fun, wasn't it?
Where's Zachary? No, you can't do that, Baba.
Yay! I can't believe you still do that when he's still old.
Barb, she say something.
With his old grandpa jacket.
Come on.
How do you go through?
Come on. So, dada na tayo ng highway. Are you done with your sightseeing ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yan, highway na tayo. Kabalik na tayo sa Yamba. Punta lang kami ng Coles kasi may kukunin tayo. Hindi sila sasama, tulog si
Do
Holly.
you have your portable charger?
Girl, was tired of hearing the same song. And girl, my light was starting to fade without you around. But then you came along.
Panik, utok, sakit lang utok, panglangkitan, ulusok ko, ng panting ng lulukan, tulog.
Oh, I have to wash that one.
Bangga,
What?
chiling, chiling, kalang,
What's that? Akin na. Alright. And dinaanan ko na rin yung nabili ko kahapon. Iniwan niya dun sa reception. Ito yung mga
What is
nabili
it,
sa
Mom?
Coles. Fanta, Sultana, Coke,
This is the Fanta raspberry.
raspberry. Yeah. So eto,
I'm gonna
ilalagay ko
jump
dito
into
sa ilalim. Where you going?
Something good?
Any? And that's it, kuya? Tubig. And bumili ako ng mint. Asan na yung mga ano? Ito hindi natin to binili. Dati pa yan dyan. Okay. Ito naman yung mga nabili nila. And this is kuya.
Get that salt sack, put in what?
I'm gonna fold it right now. Yeah, because I'm gonna magwa-washing na naman tayo bukas. In the where smelly? Ito talaga lahat na lang inaamoy. Ayun, maliwanag na ang buhay.
What's in here, Mum?
Huh? Yeah, can you put some? Not all. Just
What are you
few.
not wearing?
What?
Shoes.
Oh, I'm wearing my slippers, my boots, and my shoes. Yeah, nothing. Because I only have 3. Si Kuya nag-start na kami mag-pack.
Pass that to Zach and tell him to put it in the shower.
In the shower.
That's what Dad said.
In the shower daw sabi. Ito yung mga hindi na nila gagamitin na mga, ang dami yung dala
Here.
na sapatos. It's your Crocs outside, Saki?
Yep.
So yun, tatanggalan ko yun ng tag. Okay, ito yung binili ni Johnny Boy. Oh. Nahihilig talaga siya sa print na ganito. What's this one, TJ?
Mine.
Yours, so hindi to naka-sale, guys.
JJ.
Full price siya. And Johnny Boy. Tanggalin ko na to dito para ma-put away. Another for John. And etong hanger. Ilagay ko dyan kasi yung mga hanger ko dito nabali na. Like this one. Yung hanger ko to ulit. Ha? What's that? And pinak na ni Jan yung pinaglulutuan niya. Yung Weber.
Get home like late. What's this?
What? Are you gonna pack that one?
No, I'm just packing stuff up.
No, put it there for now, yeah? That's my rosemary. Nagpapak na siya, naglilinis na siya. Ay, malaki siya. Ay, hindi pala kasya dito. Hindi pala kasya. Mahaba. Ay, hindi natin to kailangan. So, ipamigay na lang din natin. Kala ko kasi kasya dito sa ano ko. Kasi may naputol. Ito ba? Yung, may dalawang putol na ayan. Tanggalin ko na. Ito na lang natira. Tupiin ko na lang. Okay, so yan yung ayusin ko yan. Ito pa pala. Ito yung nabili ko. Ito. Ayan. Another puff jacket. And Holly. Medyo malaki to kay Holly. Panlalaki to. Pero bagay naman sa kanya. Pwede siya mag-belt. Kay kuya. Ito naka-sale to. Kasi may tag. 30. 30 na lang siya. Kay kuya. Size 28 si kuya. Buti pa siya. Ako nasa 30 something. Ito hindi to. Gamit yan ni Holly. So, yan yung... And ito yung gusto talaga ni Holling towel. And this is Johnny Boy. Oh, may mga nabili si Jan para sa kanya. Okay. Yan lang naman yung ating yung aming sinaping doon. Tapos ito mga paper bag. Ito yung grocery namin. Bumili ulit ako ng brown lentils. Kasi masarap siya. Fennel. And coffee ni John. Butter, chocolate ni John. Lemon. Yan lang naman. And yung mga drinks. So, ayusin ko lang dito. So, nang i-put away yung mga damit. Ilagay na natin dito sa ilalim yung box. Nalagay na natin siya dyan sa gilid. Ito dyan. Ito dito. Ayan. Okay na. Pagkasya natin. Tamang-tama lang yung box niya dyan. Kasi may space pa nga. Yeah. So, kagabi pala, nilagay ko na dito yung aking kakainin tonight. And meron pa tayong tira dun sa Pyrex bowl, Pyrex container. But, eto nilagay ko na dito. So, imimix ko to. Maglalagay ako dito yung may balsamic. Tapos, eto yung may mayo. So, kakain na ako. Sila wala pa. Nandun pa sila sa Pizza Hut. And, saving na pala yung aking ini-edit. Ayan. Hopefully, ma-upload to. Baka late to ma-upload kasi medyo mabagal ang internet. Si Sak lagi nagre-reklamo ang choppy raw ng internet niya. So, ayan. At least, saving na siya. The type of wheel. Oh, it smells good.
Hi, Paul.
Hey, Paul. Hey, Paul, sit there, Paul.
No, you sit there in your normal seat.
Never mind,
Oh, ayan yung,
Sit there then.
yan yung kanilang dinner.
grab the esky off my bike rack out you can sit on that.
Si Holy mac and cheese. Did you get Nutella? Oh,
I got Hershey and
Nutella.
Zach,
Hershey.
Oh, okay.
sit on that.
I know, I've been going.
Ayan, sa Holy.
Grab the box.
Ayan yung dessert nila.
I got Nutella and
Oh, yum. And Nutella.
yeah, they're good.
They're good, yeah. Yeah, in fairness sa Nutella, masarap. So, pala kayong kumain and naubos ko yung salad. Yung chicken hindi ko naubos. So, yan yung aking, ang hugasan ko lang ay yan. Tapos, after nito, maglalaro daw kami na.
Because I